Today we're headed to the PARI Astronomical Research Institute. It's a location located way out in the middle of RF quiet zone. It listens to things out in space, could be satellites, could be planets, could be a bunch of stuff. I think these are 15 or 20 meter dishes. They're very large. There's a pair of them. They have open house today. I don't know if we can get in on some kind of tour. However, I've been on a tour, the Cook's tour, some time ago, but we're going with the girls today. We're here with the relatives visiting, so we're headed off to the PARI Institute here, located way out in the forest, way away from absolutely everything. 68 miles, so let's head out. Just starting up Highway 276 now, up through the mountains on the way to Rosman. We are on Rosman Highway, which I think is Highway 64. You've got 3 miles, and then we turn north up to PARI. We just turned on to Highway 215 off of Highway 64 on the way to PARI now. Looks like it's 8.2 miles up this road. This is the turnoff here for PARI. So that's where we're going. Alright, this is PARI, and we are on Neil Armstrong Road. We are at PARI today. Stands for Pisgah Astronomical Research Institute, PARI. It has several of these 30-meter dishes, and they're fully gimbalable where they can be pointed in any direction.
So Charles?
Yes, sir.
You've never run this thing, have you?
Yes, is this my golden opportunity?
This is your
I'm not in charge of that. If I was, I'd be pulling up the people right now.
That is a 30-meter fully pointable dish here at PARI. It's very cool, and it is active and operational. Just leaving PARI here now. We got to see a bunch of cool stuff, including a portable planetarium. Got to see stars and everything. It's very cool. It's worth coming up here. Today was a special day. It was an open house, but you can schedule tours and things by contacting them directly. We're getting out of here. I think we're heading to dinner.